All right, I'm back with the fourth and final card. And this is super simple, but adorable. There is a whole sheet of designer series paper in this packet that is a big scene, and there's mountains and snowmen and a church and all kinds of different things. And so I just cut this up. Everybody's going to have a different piece. So depending on what you have, yours probably is not going to look like mine, but it will be cute nonetheless. I have another one here I can show you in a minute, but these are the parts you need for this class, for this kit. And again, I'm starting with my Whisper White card base. This is thick Whisper White. I like to use that as my card base. I like the extra weight. And all we're going to do for this one is attach the designer paper to this panel of Misty Moonlight. Go ahead and do that. There's another peek at the back of some of this paper. So cute. So position that in place. This is probably the quickest card ever. And then I'm going to just attach this panel onto the card front. And isn't it cute? I think it's cute even just like that. And then you'll have a punch and you're going to add some words. I'm using from the Wrapped in Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Like I said, this is one of my favorites from this. Probably is my favorite stamp from this stamp set. And I'm going to stamp this in my Memento black ink. We'll just center that on there. And again, if you don't have this stamp, you can use something different, but I think this stamp is perfect for this simple card. All right, and so then this I'm going to just attach with some dimensionals. I'll put some mini ones on the back of this. Whoops, I didn't mean to get two. So we'll just put those there. And you can strategically place this punch shape wherever you want, depending on what your designer paper looks like, whatever you got in your kit, depending on where you think it looks best. There's no right or wrong. I think I'm going to put mine about right there. But I mean, I could put it here. I could put it over here. I kind of like it there, but I think I'll put mine there. And, you know, when you have cute designer paper like this, you don't really need to do a lot. Let the paper do the work. So I'm just going to knot this. And I will take a glue dot. And you can either attach it here on the top. Sometimes what I like to do is do it under the bottom. I've seen a lot of that with like a big bow underneath, but I think for this one, I'm going to just position it on the top. And I need to trim this up a little bit. I love this sheer ribbon. Okay. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to use our embellishments to just jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to take your pick tool, and I think I'm going to add a red dot there just to highlight, add a little bit of color to this word panel. Oh, come on. I think I need some more putty. There we go. Put that right there. And then you can scatter some different things around here. I like the star, and I think it would be cute, you know, on some of the trees. You could put one on each one. I'm going to just put one right there. I think that looks good. And then again, if you want to sprinkle some of the white, whatever you think, and just highlight some certain areas of the card front. We'll just do that like that. I'm going to add one more. Let's see. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is take one of these and put it right here on the top of the church. I think that looks cute. Okay, so there's that one. And let me show you, this is another one that I did, and you can see how it is a different different pattern of that designer paper sheet. But both are cute. It's just a different, it's a different pattern, but you get the same idea. Just a cute, quick, easy card. So those are the 4 cards. I hope you've enjoyed this class. And again, I'm so very grateful for your support of my business. And as always, I hope you have time to be creative today. Have a great day, everyone.